The symbol of African unity is the aNK. Everybody who is demonstrating that consciousness, you will see them wearing an aNK.
Now, there's a lot of us who actually believe now the aNK to be the representation of a phallus, a womb, the vagina of the woman, and somehow the Christian cross is a symbol of two phalluses. This is nonsense, guys. Please hear me well. These both are called crosses. They are both crosses. Just because this one is this way and the other one has an orb at the top does not mean it represents something different. Remember what I said. Spirituality, religion, and science is one thing, which means the cross cannot represent two phalluses. That is a misrepresentation. That is misunderstanding. Now, even though technically we are not yet in spring, the sunrise of the year, the symbol of the sun rising above the horizon is what is actually expressed in the aNK, or two sticks and a circle, the orb, written like this, or as it sounds, I, or Iowa, Jesus, Owane, Wowane. This is where such names actually are derived from. The symbol of the IOA, of which when the aNK now, it becomes the circle, the orb, one stick placed horizontally, and then we will have the other stick. It is from these three symbols, or the trinity of symbols, that gives us the aNK. This is where we get such names as Yahweh, Iona, John. The most primitive meaning of this symbol now is that the bottom ray of light, or the beard of the sun, dancing upon the medieval waters of Nu, symbolizes the finger of the Hierophant, the priest, pointing at the rising sun above the horizon. Now, the horizon, or the water in this case, is the still indivisible nothing, itongo, omnipresence, the fulcrum of all potential, which mates with the river time, symbolized as the beard or the finger or the phallus, the river time which impregnates the still waters of no thing, or the still waters of Ntu, creating the living spark, symbolized by the sun slowly rising above the horizon, engulfing the nothingness, engulfing the darkness. And when does this happen yearly? When does this take place in nature? It's happening right now as the sun is rising from the tomb of winter. Like I said, everything that we know about the world around us must be able to syncretize into a whole. So the zero in nature, or those still waters, or that still stretched drum before it is from here that we begin. If we